don't even know how to start this off. How should I start this off? It's sprinkling. I don't know how should I start this off. I honestly do not know. But what I am gonna say is,
Get it.
I don't even know what to say.
I don't even know what's gonna happen.
I don't know.
Adventure.
So I guess I can start this off by saying we're on a wild adventure. Walking the trails, rainforest status. You know what? Call me Rainforest Drippy right now. In the comments, call me Rainforest Drippy. I never like actually been to a rainforest before.
Yeah, me neither.
And then it just got done raining, so it's kind of muddy. What if we fall into like a ditch or something? I mean, yeah.
Just think about it, if anything bad happens, it'll help your vlog.
Why it sound like y'all trying?
Lost in the jungle.
Hey, if something bad happened, we know why. We most definitely know why. Like I said, it just got done raining. Oh, look at the drip shoes. Got them from Walmart. Yes, sir. Oh. Ooh, it's sprinkling. Hope we don't get rained on. Cause I most definitely did not bring a jacket.
Yeah.
Oh snap. Oh. Bro, I almost just bust my butt. It's so slippery, bro. I'm glad I did not wear my shoes. Good idea, Trey. You finally had one bright idea to not wear good shoes. Finally. It's freaking raining on us. But it can't be raining on my camera now. My camera not waterproof. But if it do start raining on us, I'm gonna just start recording on my phone. Yeah. I hope my camera is waterproof. I'm tired. I'm tired, bro. What did I sign up for this? I don't do this hiking stuff. This is my first time hiking. As you can see, I'm out here sweating. I feel like I done played about 3 games of basketball. And I just been walking. And it's freaking raining. Oh, I just stepped in a big old mud. One thing I just want to do, hope I don't mess my camera up by recording for you guys. There's a sign up here. Wilderness. Okay, so it's gonna, I'm guessing it's gonna get real wild. My camera gonna hate me when this does. Let me walk you out, baby girl. Oh, I think my truck got messed up. Oh, there goes somebody running. There goes somebody running. I see someone. I see someone. I wish I had like a machete and like one of those little hats or... What's up? Morning. Oh, oh, it's so slippery. Oh, it's so slippery. It's so slippery. Watch your feet. Yeah, watch your feet. Yeah, it's super slippery. It's high? Oh my god. What I sign up for?
we get ourselves into it.
What if we just see a freaking gorilla? Yeah, just come out of nowhere.
I don't think so.
Just saying, let's just use our imagination right now.
I'm sorry, guys. I fail.
I got so much rain on my camera. Let me wipe it off. Then we gotta walk back. We gotta walk back. Oh my god. I wish I would have brought shorts like you guys, but I'm not that smart. I did bring swimming shorts, that counts. What's that game name? Like on the phone? It's a running game. Like
Temple Run?
Yeah, Temple
Yeah,
Run.
yeah.
Okay, there's a guy like a movie and he do like the same thing that Temple Run do, but except he not actually like running, but he's how you say it? Hold on. I like how they try to put like oh, my feet, buddy shoes. Okay, alright, you know how they have the like pyramids or whatever, and they have like treasure inside, but like in order to get to the treasure, it'd be like booby traps and stuff.
Yeah.
And there's a guy that like, I don't know what the movie called, but he I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, it's an old movie. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I feel like right now. Yeah. And I feel like if I like had the outfit that he have on right now, it'll be suited for this job. Yeah. That's why I said something about a machete earlier. Get machete, just chop. Yeah, it works. Yes. If you can be somewhere, let me see, where am I going with this? Let's say this guy. If y'all could be anywhere in the world right now, where would you be?
Right here.
Right here? What about you, Jimmy? I'm not gonna lie. I wish I'd be in the bed right now. Wish I'd be in the bed. What about you guys? What y'all think y'all could be anywhere right now? Where would it be? Right now in the comments, let me know. Yeah, I just got cut and I felt it. That's the paper cut. Oh my lord, there's no child, bro. I'm scared. Hey, somebody gotta go in front of me. Somebody gotta go. Oh boy. Somebody go. Oh, I don't know what's in the grass. Alright, let me zip these up. Oh man. Oh, I almost just broke my ankle. You said what? Uh-huh. I don't, they didn't even have, they only had shorts on. Yes. A lot of mud. So when we get to this top, it better feel like we at the top of the world. It better feel like it. Jump over the haters. I'm taking my clothes straight to the washer. Never done anything like this a day in my life. Oh. I hope there's nothing poison out here. You said your toes?
Yeah, like my foot hasn't gotten wet yet. I still have puddles.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro. My socks, my shoes, everything. Oh. Oh. Oh Lord, and you have on sandals.
I don't wear sandals. If I was wearing those shoes, I'd watch myself.
Well, I got these shoes for this, but my pants though, like my pants. Oh my god, bro! Like it's been a lot of slip and slide. If it have been raining, do not walk this trail. Do not run this trail, especially if you never ran the trail before. This is no ordinary trail. This trail right here is for the brave, the strong survivor. And as you can see, I'm down one of them. I've been out of breath the whole freaking trail since we really started, and it's just leaving me. Oh my god, how high is this mountain? Like honestly, how high is this mountain? Someone let me know right now in the comments how high this mountain is. I don't feel like I'm on top of the world because I can't see anything. All I see is grass. Freaking. They're just leaving me. Hey guys! They just leaving me. They kept walking. That was my side telling me, hey, slow down. You're going too far, but. Well, let's run out there. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, I got this speed. I got this. Oh, I just stepped in the puddle. Yeah, you alright? I think I caught that on camera.
I'm also clumsy.
And
This is Manuel filming me.
Just be like, whoa, what?
Lead the way.
them legs. Oh, y'all want me to lead the way?
Yeah, you got it.
You said you were the lead, man.
I didn't say that. I did not say that. Nah. I think it was the fraud, the Corky. Maybe the Corky said it. Am I saying that right? Corky? You said what?
They said Trey should lead the way. I don't know. Frog said it.
I don't think so. Ideally, you still thinking about spending the night in the forest? She said what?
She ran on Friday, she's still feeling it today.
I ran
I walked like 5 miles yesterday.
I ran 2 miles Friday night and another 2 miles Saturday morning.
You're both.
You ready?
I'm not.
Hey, is this somebody's roof?
Oh.
Guessing the hurricane did that. Oh, that's a bench. You guys want to take a seat? A little time out, a little break or anything?
I'm good.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I just stuck my whole foot in mud. Oh my god. I just.
Oh, that one got me bad.
I just did the 2-step without even trying.
Wipe out.
All right, so what does marker mean? No more mud.
Come back, you're gonna die out here.
Oh man, don't say that. Do not say that. Oh. Y'all didn't see that? Alright, if we're not close to the top after saying something like this, then I give up. But at least it's not raining anymore.
Yeah, I feel nice. Although, I wouldn't want it to pour.
So today we're in the wilderness, and did y'all hear that? I thought I heard something. But today we're in the wilderness and we're searching. We're searching for something that's been spoken to as a legend. No one have ever seen what we're searching for. Do that sound like an Hey! We're gonna tell like a deep dark story. Everybody has to put in like a sentence.
Okay.
Adelia, you heard me? We're gonna tell a deep dark rainforest story and everybody has to add a sentence. She's still telling.
The only real life situation I have is the panther in the balloon.
We're gonna make one up.
Once upon a time, there was a
No, once upon a time, no. It can't be like a princess starting. It has to be like, I started off. Okay, so today we're walking in the forest. All right, Bobby, your turn.
And we happened upon this old house that was abandoned many years ago.
Adelia, your turn.
It's the cookies. Does the house want cookies?
But not only can you hear those cookies, you're also walking through mud. Bobby.
So, you get stuck in the mud, can't get yourself out of it. You're crying out for help. Please, somebody help me.
Please, I cry. Their cookies don't try to help me. They just mock my pain. And then, all of a sudden, there's a panther walking right towards me. He's glowing with everlasting light. He's my savior, redeemer.
Wait, what's the last part you said?
The panther comes and he's glowing, comes to save you.
But
The end.
The end.
The end. Right when I said the end, I almost slipped and like bust smile. But at this point, I don't even care about the mud. Like my whole foot is soaked and wet. We're gonna have a nice muddy ride back home. So, did you guys like our story? It's about the panther in the wood. Summary of it, short summary.
You alright?
She what?
She's in mud. Oh no.
Oh no, she's in mud. I'm coming for your rescue. I'm coming. Move. Move. Oh, she lost the shoe.
my phone's all muddy.
Oh, no.
Okay. Is there like a pedal there?
Is that like a what?
Big pedal.
I mean, no, they're just muddy feet. All mud, all mud, all mud. Oh snap. Bro, I done flipped at least 15 times or more. Alright, watch out for this hole right here. I was like watching Bobby into the camera and I stepped in the hole. Yeah. So there's another one up here. Bobby didn't say nothing. Oh man! Bro, it's so much mud right there. Like literally. Bro.
Stop it here for a minute and get my life together.
Right.
Think about my actions.
Right.
Message from
Right. Cookie?
Do you have water?
No.
Wash my hands. You don't have water? I asked you if you had water on the way here.
I don't. I'm just.
Can you reach into my back pocket and get my water out?
Let's see. Which one? The big pocket?
I'm the one with the forest on.
Yeah.
I swear.
Yeah, bro. We're out here surviving. I don't want to pour too much.
That's good.
You need some of the shoes too?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just enough to get my shoe on.
I feel like I just revived you.
Just a little bit. You don't need to wipe off my hands again though.
Alright.
I just need to find like a nice.
Bobby's just standing up there, just like patiently waiting. I'm doing
Do a little bit. Low. I'm reapplying my shoe.
It's zoned in so much. We're out here surviving. Survivor of the fittest.
Now we just have an Nalgene bottle and a third of water. Because
Third.
someone didn't bring water.